Welcome to VHDL, Design and Modeling of Digital Systems course, Test Benches. The testing of VHDL models through simulation is done using a test bench. The entity declaration is shown here, entity logic unit underline TB. Now you notice that there are no ports because this is the test bench. It is not instantiated by somebody else. It is going to be used by the simulation tool. In the test bench, the three components were instantiated with this code here. Logic unit 0, 1, and 2 with the 1L structure, the with select structure, architecture, and the external logic unit. Each port connection is of the form formal, equal, greater than actual. The formal port corresponds to the port name in the component declaration. The actual part corresponds to a signal declared in the declarative part of the architecture statement. Instantiation could have been done positionally, as in the code here, where we have not the formal part and the actual part, but merely the actual connections, actual ports. But here they're not done by name, they're done by position. Here if you have operand A, operand B, selector, and result. And here, in this case, the order in which they appear definitely matters. The stimulus to our test bench is provided by this process. We cover processes next. The process changes the value of selector to different values with a 1 microsecond interval in between. The resultant waveforms were then used to verify expected operation. We could have also written the test bench such that it would check automatically the results of the output. Test benches can also be used to verify output timing to changes in input as well. The following table describes the different classes of test benches. Input stimuli is performed by all three classes. Testing the values and the timing of the output signals is manually done in class 1 and done automatically in classes 2 and 3. Class 2 checks the values of the output but not the timing. And class 3 automatically checks both the values and the timing of the output signals.